Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi di channel Mama Putra. Kali ini Mama Putra mau buat terong balado buat makan siang. Ikuti Mama Putra masuknya. Oke, kali ini masakannya udah jadi. Sekarang kita bagian icip-icip masakan Mama Putra. Oke. Nih, ini balado terong yang tadi Mama Putra masak. Ini tempe mendoan yang tadi Mama Putra goreng. Dan ini sambelnya, sambal kecap buat tempe mendoan. Nah, kali ini Mama Putra mau nyicipin terong baladonya ya. Oke, kita geser dulu. Oke, masih panas ya. Ini tempenya kita guyur. Kita cobain dulu tempenya ya, masih panas. Kita makan sampai lupa Mama Putra. Kita berdoa dulu ya. Kita nyicipin ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always
Sambal.
lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me.
Kita pakai nasi.
With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near. There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. You pull me out of deepest water so I can breathe again. I dive into your love so I could feel my breath again. Whenever you will call my name, I will run to you. You give me strength to carry on. Pull me into you. You give my life again. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love could make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like
Jadi karena tadi Mama Putra nggak digoreng dulu sengaja, jadi biar nggak terlalu blenyek
fill
banget.
my heart
Terus
like
bumbunya tuh ada manis. Tadi Mama Putra lupa nggak di videoin pas ngasih gulanya, lupa. Terus ada rasanya manis, gurih, terus pedes juga ya. Kalau yang suka pedes cocok. Nah, terus untuk rasa tempe mendoannya nggak terlalu matang, emang tadi nggak digoreng terlalu matang, jadi setengah matang. Terigunya gurih juga ya. Nanti bisa dicoba di rumah sama bunda-bunda. Jadi buat bunda-bunda yang malas masak ribet-ribet, cocok banget, bisa dicoba di rumah. Jadi karena masaknya juga nggak terlalu ribet ya kalau ini ya. Bumbunya kental banget. Oke, makasih Bunda udah mengikuti Mama Putra masak dan menemani Mama Putra icip-icip masakan. Oke, jangan lupa klik subscribe-nya, like and share, dan tombol lonceng notifikasinya agar tidak ketinggalan video-video Mama Putra. Oke, ditunggu video selanjutnya ya. Bye-bye.